Superior Signs and Graphics is your source for building signs and architectural lettering in Orange County, California. Our experts can help you choose a design, colors, and materials that will fit your needs and make your company name stand out. Whether you want cast metal or durable PVC flush mount or studs and spacers, our licensed and experienced installation experts have the equipment and skills to tackle any job and ensure that your sign looks its best. We can help you navigate the local building codes and even handle city permitting. The sign on your building projects and your company image so you don't leave your important sign project to just anyone. Call Superior Signs and Graphics today and we'll take care of it from concept to completion.